Ever wondered what happens when you play a video backward? In CapCut Mobile, reversing a video takes just a few taps and can create some really fun and creative effects. Start by opening your project and importing the video you want to edit. Next, tap on the video clip in the timeline to select it. Then, scroll through the editing tools at the bottom until you find the reverse option. Tap reverse and let CapCut process the clip. Depending on the length of the video, this may take a few seconds. Once it's finished, play the video back and you'll see everything happening in reverse. Objects return to where they started, movements play backward, and simple clips can suddenly look much more interesting. This effect is commonly used for creative transitions, magic style edits, trick shots, and entertaining social media content. Preview the final result and make any additional adjustments before exporting your video. And that's how to reverse a video in CapCut Mobile. It's one of the easiest editing tricks you can use to make ordinary footage stand out.